In this video, we are going to fix 1900200 Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. At the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the system, click on it. And after that, you need to scroll down, then find for troubleshoot. Next is to go with other troubleshooters. And from here, go with the most frequent and click on Windows Update. There you can see Run. So run the troubleshooter, click on here corresponding to it, and wait until this process would be finished. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. It will depend on the machine that you are having. Okay? So once you are done with this step, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next step, and that is to run the disk cleanup. How we can do that at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for clean MGR. Once done, click on the OK button. And in this small window, which is called the disk cleanup, it will start calculating how much space available to clean up. So by that, you need to navigate to the box here. You need to check the boxes. And once you have checked it, click on cleanup system files, click on OK, and then go with delete files. So the process of deleting this one is very important because it doesn't just have, it doesn't clean up the disk. It will only help you to refresh your computer. Okay? So this will delete all of the junk files, the registries, the bugs that is being created by your system that might be a factor why you face Windows Update error. Okay? So the last solution that you can do if that step didn't work out is that you need to run for SFC and the DISM. How we can do that? I want you to copy the command that I have provided at the YouTube description. This four commands I want you to copy and paste it to the notepad. Once you have copied it, you need to navigate to your search box and please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can open a BASMAT, which is the command prompt system. And from here, please navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. Okay. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. And the catch is you need to copy this one by one and not together or as a whole. So by that, proceed first to the SFC scan now and then paste it here. Make a right click. In that way, you'd be able to paste it. Click on the enter key in your keyboard to start the procedure. This will do system scanning. And once you have done it, this will take 5 minutes. After that, proceed to the second, which is to check the health of your computer. And once you are done with the checking the health of your computer, please proceed to the scanning the health of it. So proceed to the third, and once done, go with the restore the health of your computer. And once you have completed all of this four commands, you need to restart your computer to make any changes. So there is a need to restart in order to make any changes and in order for the actions or the procedure to take an effect. And once you have done with that, try to run the Windows update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.